Another thing that we talked about today that could be fun with this project is um, segments within Strava. So again, this is my wall, for lack of a better word, the people that I'm following and any activity that they did. So you can see that Mike Loria went for an afternoon ride, Slim Pickens went for an afternoon run. Here's Drew Moore's easy 4 miles at 8:23 pace. Not so easy for an old guy, but let's take Jordan Wakely, for example. So here's what Jordan did today. So he rode home from the shop, gives you a map of his ride. Here's a place where you could interact with him. You could give him kudos, thumbs up, man, you did good. You could even leave a comment about that. You can see that 41 people have already given him the thumbs up. But if you click on this ride in particular, it'll give you some individual metrics on the ride. Now, depending on what device you're using to track yourself, that's what's going to make the availability of these things. Most of you cool guys with Apple Watches can probably link right to Strava through your Apple Watch, and it'll be an automatic upload or download. But then you look at the map, and here's the segment issue that we were talking about. So as you look, here's your profile of the ride. And down here, there are 2 segments on that ride. When you roll over the segment, it kind of highlights the elevation. And if you go full screen, it actually highlights the part of the map. You can see the part of the map that turns blue there. So let's take Hartwick Hills, for example. So you click on that individual segment, and it gives you your daily ranking. It also gives you your all-time ranking. So over here, you can toggle between this year, men, women, who you're following. So if you look at this year, only 2 people have ridden it this year. If you go to all time, it gives you a list of everybody that's ever done this. So here's Jordan Wakely atop the heap, 2 minutes 55 seconds. If you slide down, you can see that Slim Pickens did it in 5:41 and is ranked 178. So that's just another feature that we talked about earlier today regarding this software. And anybody can make a segment, and anytime that you do an activity that goes over a segment, it'll automatically rank you within that segment. And making a segment is a whole other issue that we could discuss at another time. All right. Later, dudes.